the Sony Xperia XZ4 is gonna be a game changer. The device is already gaining a lot of attention just because of a premium bezel-less look with some great capabilities. The company is going to mark a solid change for Xperia lineup, and the best part of this story is that Sony is not copying any smartphone trend. Instead, they are trying something very simple with a trimmed down bezel experience. Otherwise, there are some companies with this. Now, moving to the main highlight of the video, Ice Universe has got his hands on a real screen protector for the Xperia XZ4. To get an idea of this particular upcoming, he placed it next to an iPhone XS Max and the screen protectors of S10 and S10 Plus. As you can see, the Xperia XZ4 is very tall and the bezels are reduced to a great extent. I mean, there's no major difference between S10 and XZ4's chin. Also, if you want to look at the XZ4's view, Ice Universe has made a full video on that. He played a scene from Thor Ragnarok on some 21:9 display and without even cropping it. This display, however, is a fixed arrangement, but keeping that to a very hidden zone, the 21:9 XZ4's display managed to play this video. So it's great to have a pocket tweeter. According to some latest benchmarks, the Xperia XZ4 beats Galaxy S10 in raw power test. The S-series lineup is going to be an absolute beast, and with these scores, I'm excited for the XZ4. The upcoming smartphone is gonna have a Snapdragon 855 processor with at least 6 gigs of RAM. In terms of camera, I expect great results from the triple camera lens. And the overall package looks so good. The 3900 mAh of battery is enough for our daily tasks, but if you want an in-display fingerprint scanner, just forget it, as the device will offer a side-mounted fingerprint tag. For me, it's completely fine, as the display tag still needs to be improved while the regular one is the best option out there. That said, the Xperia XZ4 is a major part of the first quarter of 2019, and for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.